Today on Mercedes Garage, why is my gear shifter sloppy? On Mercedes Garage. Hi and welcome back to another episode of Mercedes Garage. Today it's a quick video. I'm going to show you a problem which is common on older Mercedes diesels, 123s, 115s, 126s, and I think you may know what it could be. The problem is with the gear shifter. This is a common problem on older Mercedes. As I mentioned, some models, probably 124s, 126s, 140s, pretty much all of them. There's a bushing that's underneath the gear shifter, and the rods would go from the gear shifter to the transmission. This applies to automatics. Manuals have a similar problem, but we're not going to discuss manuals. This is just an automatic transmission we're talking about. So what happens is the bushing, which are these, I'll show you a picture of it, start to get hard and worn, and your gear shifter starts to have slop in it. So let me put it in reverse. As you can see, that's not normal. It should move about this much. It should feel firm, and this is not feeling firm. You could hear it clicking a little bit. Here's neutral. See, it almost went into drive. It's going between neutral and drive. Now I'm in drive. And look at that slop in that. Second, same thing. It'll be the same in all the gears because it's the same bushing. It's just moving the rods back and forth. And now in low, it's pretty bad, and that's going to need to have to be fixed. There's a special tool that you could buy. Mr. Ken Bergsman of Mercedes Source sells it, and this is not a endorsement or plug for him, but he sells a tool that you could use. You could try to use not that tool or something similar to that to plug them back in. So unfortunately, that will not be a video I'll be able to do because I don't have any way to get underneath the car because I don't have a lift. I have 2 jack stands and a jack. And I am not in the shape to crawl underneath the car. So that's going to have to be done. And I'll show you, I don't know if I could show you how they did it or not. It would be nice. Maybe I could get them to take a picture or two, but it's an important thing because if you're not in the right gear, say you were in reverse in park, but you're really in reverse or neutral, I've heard horror stories with the car rolls. So if your car is doing this slop between the gears and the transmission and the gear shifter like this, I highly recommend and strongly recommend putting the emergency brake on. And that's my best advice to give to you because you don't want your car to roll forward or backwards. So until you get that fixed, put your emergency brake on. It probably is not a bad idea most times to put your emergency brake on. So, okay, until then. So, like I said, that's something that you should have to get fixed pretty soon before your car rolls down a hill or worse. Uh, so, until then, keep watching Mercedes Garage. We'll try to get some more videos out. Like I said in the other video, I've been dealing with some health issues, so we'll try to get these videos out now. Um, and keep on motoring in your Mercedes Benz, and have a good day, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.